Hey, what is up everyone? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can easily share your calendar to others. So if you're accessing Google Calendar on your web browser or your desktop, in your search bar, just head over to calendar.google.com. Then once you're in your calendar, just make sure of course that you're logged into your account. Then from here, just look for this My Calendars section. And from there, just choose the calendar that you want to share. Then beside it, just look for this three dot icon. Just click on it, then click settings and sharing. So if you scroll down, you can change or access permissions for events in your calendar. You can make it available to public, and you can also get a shareable link in which you can share those links to the people that you want to share your calendar with, or you can manually add people and groups that you want to share your calendar with just by typing their email or name in this section. And you can also change the permission, the type of permission that you want to share with them. Then once done, just click on send. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful. And if you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And I will see you again on the next one. Bye!